video, I want to show you guys an interesting thing I just found out not so long ago. So if I open my character torso file, I'm noticing that it's Z up instead of Y up, but for some reason in this case I want it to be Y up, so I'm just gonna basically rotate this 90 degrees. I want it to be like this, okay? But the issue with that is that I have this rotation here and I don't like it. So how can I quickly fix it? So the way I would go about it, I'll just duplicate those two things. And then I have my geometry and the joints. Now on the joints, I'll go ahead and here I'll just freeze that rotation. Okay, so now that's clean. And then what I would do, because I want to transfer those weights, I would select this skeleton basically. And I want to add a namespace to that skeleton. So in the general editors, there's namespace editor. I'll just go ahead and create like a new namespace. And I would name it, I don't know, NMSP or something, and whatever the name. And now I want to add selected to the namespace. So I'm just going to add, but I just have to keep pressing it because it goes by def until it hits the bottom. And now everything is in that namespace, okay? So then I can rename that. I don't want this one in there. But as you can see now, I have this duplicate, and this one is the same, but with a namespace. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to skin it, bind skin, bind to the whole hierarchy, all this unchecked, very important, because otherwise the weights won't copy. And now what I do, I select this one without the namespace, and that one with the namespace for the skeleton, and then skin, copy skin weights with the default settings. And now we'll basically copy my skin weights, and now I can get rid of those guys, which are not correct, and rename that. And then, obviously, I don't want that namespace here, so what I'll do is I'll go to that namespace editor, and I'll just delete it, and I'll just merge with root. So you can see now that this is kind of interesting, and what's happening is I just transfer my weights, and they're correct weights. And I also fixed my joint rotation. So that's a nice trick I thought you guys would like. All right, stay tuned for more. Thanks.